Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I'm Lorraine, and today we are going to build a card using elements from the Lots of Fun Paper Pumpkin Kit for December 2021. This is the 5th outside the box alternate card, and again, all the elements are from the kit. I'm not bringing anything else in except my Granny Apple Green ink pad and my Poppy Parade ink pad. So we'll be building a piece to go in the center of the card, and then I'll be adding a little bit of pizzazz around the card. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the pool party banners and I'm going to ink it up to say "Celebrate, Go Bananas." And I apologize if I get my hair in the frame while I line this up. There we go. Oh, that looks really good. I'll hold that up a bit closer. That looks fabulous. The Poppy Parade on the pool party looks great. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the scatter dots that came in the stamp set, and I am going to just use the Granny Apple Green, and I am going to fill them in using first value and second value just so there's a bit of depth of field with them. And I'm just going to continue just to fill in space because I want that kind of fun look, lots of kind of goofiness on the card because it is a Go Bananas card. So we've got the dots done, and I'm going to start to build the piece for the middle. So all of these elements are from the kit. I'm just going to flat mount this to the front of the card, line it up, and then I'm going to put the vellum circle down. This is the small vellum circle from the kit, and I'm just going to lay that on like that. And you can see where the adhesive is, but that will be hidden. And then I'm going to come in and layer on the lines, the strip from the kit. And there we go. This is actually an offcut from the envelopes. When I cut the envelopes apart so that I could get this, that's a piece of that. And now I'm going to put in the Celebrate, Go Bananas. You could probably dimensionalize this up if you wanted to. I'm not going to, but you absolutely could. And I'm just going to drop that down towards the bottom of the center banner. And now I'm going to start layering in the bananas. And I want them to go like a bunch. So they'll go like that and then come in. Sorry, you can't see that. Come in against there. So what I need to do is I need to put some adhesive on the back of this one and then put it on like that. And then I'm going to take my second one and lay it on like that so that the circles in the top all line up. You could dimensionalize this banana too if you wanted to, but you don't have to. So there we go. We've got that, and I actually want this over a little bit further. So I am going to peel this up, this whole unit that I built. I'm going to peel it up and I'm going to move it over. Because I glued them each to the other, they did come up nicely. So there we go. So that just goes to show you can correct if things aren't exactly how you wanted them to be. And I thought to pull some of the pool party up into the rest, I would use some of the enamel dots and just put them around. Just to pull that back in again. See how that kind of pulls that center in because I've incorporated the color somewhere else in the card. And I'm going to add these in, and I only have one of these enamel dots left, so I am going to use it. Maybe I'll just pop it on here like this. So there is our 5th outside the box card using only elements from the Paper Pumpkin Kit, plus adding in the Granny Apple Green, excuse me, the Granny Apple Green ink and the Poppy Parade. So thanks so much for watching. I'm going to do one more alternate card, and stay tuned for that. Thanks so much, and let's create together again soon.